So yes guys, what is happening, and welcome back to Shifting Gears. And in today's video, as you read by the title, this is the last POV in the Corsa VXR. As you guys know, I am selling the car. We did give you guys an update on obviously what's happening with the channel, gave you guys an update video and then a forward video regarding the news for the VXR. So yeah guys, this is the last POV of the VXR. So yeah, I'm just gonna cruise today. I'm not gonna send it or anything. The car is actually up for sale. By the time this video goes live, it might have sold, but I'm not sure. But this is the last POV drive, which I'm gonna film for YouTube. Make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, let's get straight into this video. Just gonna give you guys a little sound check. It does sound good. Obviously Cobra exhaust system, 3-inch Cobra exhaust system, back box delete. Sounds really good. But yeah, let's hit the roads now, take you guys for the last POV driving the VXR. I did have to come to a conclusion obviously to sell the car. I didn't really want to sell it, to be honest. I wanted to keep it and obviously go big build on it. It's a bit tight here. But yeah, I did want to keep the car. Obviously I wanted to go big build on it, stage 3, because obviously, as you guys know, the engine is forged and obviously it's been mapped by Wayside, which has been good. It's been a good map, a good power map, no hard cut, no pops and bangs. The car's been good to me. I've really enjoyed it. I've owned it for about 3.5 years now. So yeah, I did want to keep it, but I just wanted to move on, get something else, because even content wise, there's not really much content I can get unless I throw big money at it. Obviously going stage 3, buying a bigger turbo, there's not much that I can do with the car content wise. That's why I came to the conclusion, obviously selling the car and then getting something different. Now the car that I'm going to get next, I'm not 100% sure, to be honest. I'm not really sure, but I am going to shop around. We are going to do a video on that as well, obviously car shopping for the next car, going to dealerships. But yeah, I am going to pay a visit to Show Cars. We did do a video, we did a few videos actually at his dealership, Show Cars, so probably going to head down to him soon as well, see if he can source me a car or see what cars he currently has, so I can have a look at them, see if I like them or not. Just going to have a look around. I'm not going to rush yet, obviously getting a new car. But whoever does buy this car, obviously I'm guessing they are going to go a big build on it, or even keep it how it is. I mean, there's more than enough power in the car, pulls strong in every gear, and obviously I've looked after it as well, and I've recently had the rear discs and pads changed. They needed changing, so they've been done. It has been a good journey of the VXR. Obviously started with the channel with the VXR, but yeah, unfortunately it's come to an end, and so thought I'd just get a last POV drive on the car just for you guys. Car sounds amazing. 3-inch exhaust, Cobra, and then obviously induction kit, dump valve, all of that sounds really good. In regards to future plans, obviously with the channel, we are going to make videos and content on detailing. Obviously, as you guys know, we have started our own detailing business, so most of our content is going to be based around that. And obviously we're going to be doing a lot of car reviews, POV drives. We're going to go to a lot of shows as well this summer. We're going to do road trips, all that sort of stuff. So before, as you guys know, the channel was based on obviously our cars. So yeah, as I was saying, obviously the channel won't be based on our cars. It's going to be based on obviously detailing, car features, POV drives, and obviously a lot more interesting content. And as I was saying, we will be going to obviously Santa Pod, obviously D-Max 250, Gassed on Track, all them sort of car events this year. I think there's also a show, Gravity, so we're most likely going to be there as well. So we're going to go to a lot more shows. I think last year we only went to like 1. So yeah, obviously this year we do want to get out there more, summertime, obviously going to shows and that. But yeah, that is the plan for obviously summer's content, but the main focus obviously will be detailing, We have started our detailing business. The Instagram, I'll put it up here. Go follow it. I'll leave all links down below in the description. So if you do want your car booked in, then just please let us know. We do like West Midlands, Birmingham and surrounding areas. If you do want your car looking nice, clean, we offer different packages. We offer monthly packages as well. So yeah, just message us, let us know, and obviously we can sort it out. But yeah, just check out our Instagram as well. So we are getting leaflets made, business cards. We're just waiting for them to be printed out, and obviously we are going to be handing them out in local businesses and obviously getting our name out there. But yeah, in regards to the VXR, it's been a good journey. Like, I've loved this car, I've enjoyed driving it. Obviously it's brought a lot of memories as well. I mean, we've been to quite a few places in it, met a lot of lovely people. Most of them are you guys, obviously. This idiot, man, fucking twat. Caught him on camera. He tried overtaking. He tried overtaking, man. Nah, we don't do that shit, man. It's dangerous. It's no good. But yeah, the VXR, obviously, I'm sad to see it go, but obviously all good things come to an end. So just have to move on to the next chapter, whatever car I get next. Obviously, I'm not too sure yet what I want to get next. I am looking around. But to be honest, I'm seeing everyone just pull out Golf Rs, S3s. Literally, that's what everyone is getting. And to be honest, they are boring cars. I've driven them. They are boring. Like, I don't really find them exciting. I mean, they are a good all-round car, 300 brake, stock, good tunability, but they're just boring. Like, it's just a point-and-shoot car. It does everything so well, which is a good thing, but it's a boring car at the same time. So I'm not really too sure about them, but we'll have to wait and see. The VXR, I mean, it's a nice car, it pulls really good. That's why I'm not really too sure what to get. But in the future, we are looking to get like a project car for the channel. Obviously not anytime soon, because obviously we want to focus on detailing more at the moment, but maybe in the future we are going to look at buying a project car. Maybe a Type R, Fabia VRS, the PD 130s, or the Leon PDs as well. So we are looking at them as well to get, obviously, for the channel. We did do a review on a PD 130, that was stage 1 VRS, the Julian. We are thinking to get him back on the channel as well. His car was pretty quick, man, stage 1, so that video got a lot of views. So diesel car, maybe project car in the future, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Another thing is, obviously, we want to get back onto the car features, as I was saying. So if you do want your car obviously featured on our channel, then just let us know, drop a comment down below, hit us up on our Instagram, do a car feature. We can come to you, meet halfway, whatever you want to do, you just let us know. I've always wanted to experience a Type R, to be honest. Like VTEC, I mean, they are pretty quick. You know, I've seen a lot of them on, obviously, YouTube, TikTok, and I do like the sound of them, the way they sound. Obviously this off the limiter sounds good, sounds similar to a Type R, but obviously VTEC turbo, they're two completely different things. So in the future, hopefully you can get our hands on a Type R, a nice clean example for a project car, even one that needs work doing to it, and obviously we can document that on the channel and show you guys, obviously, before and after, obviously, on a project car. But yeah, for now, I'm just going to enjoy this last POV drive in the VXR. Induction kit sounds lovely. That induction kit sounds so good with the dump valve. I am gonna miss this car, to be honest. Like, I've always wanted to keep this car, but obviously sometimes you do have to move on. Just get a whole complete different car. And obviously in the future as well, get a project car, as I mentioned earlier, like a VRS, Type R, Cupra, something along those lines. But yeah, I didn't want to make this video too long. I thought I'd give you guys a little update on the VXR. But yeah, this is the last POV that you guys will see on the VXR. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like I did mention earlier, make sure you guys hit us up on our Instagram, the detailing page. I'll leave all links down below, so make sure you go follow us on our Instagram. If you do want your car booked in, then just let us know, drop us a comment, message us on Instagram, and if you also want your car featured, then also let us know as well. So yeah, I'll leave all links down below for you guys, so make sure you guys check it out, have a look through our page, let me know what you guys think. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.